All right, let's over here. Might be easier if I stand for a minute. Excuse the poor lighting in the video up here. All right, it is sub plans for the 21st of April. All right, I'm taking students to Western Kentucky University to do a college trip out there. Let's take a look at what we have planned. All right, let's. All right, advisory students should be producing the morning news, and administrator, the librarian, can unlock the door and let them in there. Great group of kids. They know exactly what to do. And just make sure that someone helps you do attendance. All right, for all classes, no guests, no passes to other classrooms. Please, if they're a cinematography student and they need to come work on an open computer, that's fine. If they're here to work, if they're here to socialize, go ahead and send them back. Also, I apologize. The air condition is out in the classroom. There's a box fan there if you need to cool the room down. Again, I'm sorry about that. Okay, there's a state law that prohibits students from using cell phones. I don't allow them to use it. Feel free to use discipline in any way you feel necessary to enforce that. Myself and administration will completely back you up on it. There's no reason for students to have cell phones out in my classroom all day long. All right, film production. That's B1. Some students are still finishing the edit of a action thriller or short film that was due last week. There's an ed puzzle, a new ed puzzle for today. There's actually two ed puzzles in Canvas, but one of them we went over last week. This is how to use a 3-act structure in a documentary. Okay. Broadcast journalism is the B2 class. So let's. So this here was B1. We'll go to. Let's see. Where are we? Okay. B2 is advanced studio, and it is also. The broadcast journalism class. So let's. Okay, so broadcast journalism, that's a junior level class. Still has some seniors in there. They should look for a practice test on their PC called Premiere Pro 2025. There's a Gmetrics SMS icon on their desktop. They know how to find this and log in. And it's not going to work on a Chromebook. They should be on a PC. I let them correct their answers to get a full 100% if they go back and practice, use it as a study guide or practice to get their score up. And the Advanced Studio, many students in this class have missing. So these module 2s here, those should be getting in. Module 3s, there's a lot of missing work on there. Those are still unlocked for the time being, and they can get that in. And let's go to B3 is a planning block. I hope you have a free period then. And fourth block is Introduction to Media Arts. They are also doing the same practice test that the broadcast journalism juniors are doing. I'm testing multiple grades right now, so they have this Gmetrics practice mode. Okay, so remind them that when I get half of each class certified, we'll throw them a pizza party. So anyway, woo! Hope you had a good day or have a good day, and I'll be driving or at the college trip, so I probably will be unavailable for a lot of this, but librarians can help. Mr. Mays is always helpful. Thanks for helping out today.